Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Padasale. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how I generally used to take notes for my CSIR NET exam preparation. So hope this video will be definitely useful. So the first things I will be doing before starting my CSIR preparation for taking notes, I'll just declutter my table. If you are studying in table, it's well and good, but make sure you are cleaning your table every day morning before you are starting your preparation, because previous day after completing my studies I generally don't clean out and my work table and my study table will be a mess. So that morning first thing you should do is clearing all your work table. You should have your pen and pencil in the box, and you should clear all the dust. Only thing, these things will definitely keep yourself motivated and it will definitely add up a positive energy around you. So for preparing CSIR examinations, you should have these kind of cleanliness within you, so that it will be helpful for you for your entire day of your preparation. So some will prepare for 6 hours a day, some will prepare 8 hours a day. Even though if you are preparing 2 hours a day, try to clean up your workspace before starting your preparation. So please try these particular things, will definitely make yourself motivated, and you will definitely clear CSIR exam these times. These are little bit tips and tricks to make yourself energized throughout the entire day. So have a little bit cloth, and I generally dip them in water or any other solutions like your Vim bar and clean daily. If you're having your laptop, you can clean that also. Since today I'm not going to use my laptop for studying, so I didn't take my laptop out. So today it's a pen and paper mode of teaching, so I'm just doing all those kind of things, friends. So try to follow these kind of tips before you think. So please watch the video fully, only then you can able to understand what I'm saying. And the next thing is that always have a particular kind of thing within your hand. It might be your holy book or anything. So I generally have a habit of reading any kind of a verse from Quran to start up my preparations. Okay, so you can try your holy card. Next thing, I'll start my preparation. I'll don't spread all the notebook for CSIR preparation. I'll just take what are the notebook and the reference book if I'm currently preparing for plant physiology. So I'm having plant physiology, that is my CSIR preparation note, and along with that is a plant physiology textbook. I'm just taking a printout and few sketch pens, because in my notebook I generally don't use pens. I generally have a more number of sketch. It will really, when you revise your notes, it will add up many kind of positive thoughts within you. And I'll also take up pens which I needed, and few color pens, scale, eraser, pencil, just like that. I'll take whatever the things that are needed for the preparation for the entire day. And always stay stay steady with please put your timetable, please put your study table just behind your window, so that your natural sunlight will be there, and morning wind and morning air, we will feel refreshed throughout the entire day. And always have a highlighter. So this highlighter, I'm using orange color highlighter, and few sticky notes within you, and arrange them properly, because these things you will feel things it's if you are studying in sofa or bed, it will be really uncomfortable, and after 1 hour of studying you will definitely lose your open preparation. Just follow these kind of methods and definitely you will study, and for at least for 4 hours continuously you can study, and sit in a proper and comfortable place and make yourself comfortable. Only then you can able to prepare for the entire day. And just a disclaimer, friends, I'm just currently taking these kind of videos, so if you have any kind of angle related problem, definitely I'll just correct them in upcoming videos. So using a sketch pen, I'll put today's date first. So that's what I'm writing in a sketch pen with a maroon color sketch pen. Okay, next things, plant physiology unit. Even though I have a separate notebook, it's depend on my mood, I'll write plant physiology. And the next thing is that in plant physiology, I'm currently studying secondary metabolites, so you can write secondary metabolites. So these things are just to make yourself motivated whenever you are. So these things I'll generally follow whenever I take notes, friends. So today it's a pen and paper mode based note, so I'm taking using these kind of tips. Then I'll also write the deadline of finishing those kind of things. So total number of pages first I'll write from the textbook. So first I'll write the textbook total number of pages. If you say secondary metabolites, it will like 10 pages, so I'll write down 10 pages. So 201 to 301, like that I'll take. And I'll also put a deadlines, so that if I'm putting it's April 19, so I had started taking notes for the secondary metabolite for April 15. My deadline is April 19, so within April 19 I must complete this particular thing. So likewise, before starting a new topic of studying, you can make yourself clear. First take down which are the topic that you are going to study, okay, and make yourself clear. Only then it will be keep yourself motivated throughout the entire point of your time point, okay. So these secondary metabolites are really important. That's the reason why I'm taking a really 4 days of preparation. And next, if I need to draw something, I'll draw in a rough and colloquial way. I don't picturize what just given in the booklet. It just to keep my mind stay motivated and say energized. So I'll made a rough sketch throughout the time point, and I'll also mark a time, so that and I'll also color them. It's not a perfect coloring, friends, it's just a simple coloring methodology, because these kind of diagrams will be always been in your mind throughout the time. So whenever you sit for your examinations, these diagrams will make yourself clear about the concept. So studying for all night is not a big deal. What you are studying within 1 hour of time, it's literally a very good time point. Even though you are studying for 1 hour, you should study pakka, so that always try to take notes whenever you are studying preparation. And I generally highlight in my book also, and few points that are really important, I'll take notes. I'll not take para notes in my steady notebook, friends. So always have a highlighter with you. And also next tip is that use your fingertips to just study from the books, because if you are studying from soft copy, that is in a laptop, then it will really make yourself tired and you can't able to concentrate yourself. So always have a printed version of your textbook, so that it will be very much helpful, so that you can underline, you can scribble, and you can also make a important point as a cross mark, so that whenever future if you are revise. So definitely I'll place a video how I'll do revise. I generally revise textbook and I also revise notebook, because some will say if you're taking short notes it will definitely helpful, but that doesn't work for me. So I always use a highlighter, because textbook will also have a unwanted topic that are really unwanted from exam point of view. So those things we can skip. Only exam point of view things I'll highlight them with the highlighter pen, okay. So I'll start preparation. So I generally don't take break. I'll study continuously for 2 hours or 2 hours continuously, then I'll take break for around half an hour. But if you can able to skip your timetable according your choice. If you are preparing for whole day, then you can take a break, because taking break is much more important. And stay hydrated yourself, since this is a month of Ramzan. So I'll be in fasting, so I didn't show all those kind of things. But you have 2 water bottles and drink more water, because water will help you to stay motivated. And generally don't eat before studying or after studying. Take your breakfast and just leave yourself free for 1 hour, and then start your preparation. And also after studying also, you just take a break before studying. If you are feeling hungry, then please go and take thing nutritious biscuits or any other snacks, because if your stomach is calling you, then you can't able to keep your mind and you can't able to steady focus. So these things are literally what tips I learned from my study preparations. And this video, since I'm not going to give a try for CSIR examination, but I then want to motivate few students who will be really in need of help like these things, because I'll also make notes for my video format, and I'll share how I make notes for my video in a separate video for you. And this is how I'll generally have this color pens. It's literally 9 rupees, and I'll also color. I'll generally show my notebooks, my notes taking notebooks. It is full of color, because the last time of revision, that is a day before examination, taking your notes with the color pen, it's really a good thing. And you will also keep yourself okay, I had studied this much concepts, you were using color pen like that and all. So this is how I generally study. And I'll also highlight whenever highlighting is necessary, and I also have a cheat code, and I'll write them whenever that is needed. Okay, and this is what I say. I generally don't use pen for taking notes, and sometimes around 70 percentage of my notebooks I'll generally use my sketch pens for writing, and these sketch pens are from Faber-Castell company. And if you need, I'll show in my next video, friends. Okay, so the next important weapon for your preparation is your pen. Always try to have a pen. I generally have ink pen for my preparation. For the last year preparation, I generally have ink pens. You have your hero pen or whatever the pen, or else have gel pens, because ballpoint pens, having 5 rupees ballpoint pens will make your hand to get tired, and you will have literally feel the pain in your hand. So have a good pen, have a good notebook making strategy, so that it will definitely help you to prepare. Okay, and I generally prepare by notes, by having the notes what I have. So after I completed my preparation, I just revised what are the things I had taken and what are the things I have studied today. By using a highlighter pen, I generally highlight them in the notes also, because at the last part of the preparation, that is day before examination, it will be really helpful for you to prepare. So yeah, this is for today's video, friends. So definitely this video will be helpful for your future preparations also, and I'm planning to put many videos related to this notes making strategy. So keep yourself updated, so that it will be very much helpful for you to your preparations also, friends. So all the best. Hope this video has added up a little motivations for you. So if I had made any mistakes in this video, please forgive me, and I'll definitely correct that in my future video. So that's it for today's video, friends. Definitely many new videos in the form of notes, that is handwritten notes, are being uploaded in my YouTube channel. If you like the content, please go and watch and study well for your examinations. As you all know, CSIR exam notification will begin soon, and DBT exam notification will also begin soon. And the next video I'll definitely share how you can prepare two different kind of examinations with a single time point, friends. And now we are in the month of April and May as a single month you have, so please boost up your preparation, so that you will definitely clear the CSIR examination. So that's it for today's video, friends. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.